Baked dill falafel Nourish bowl recipe. Yield 12 falafels plus 2 Nourish bowls. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 35 minutes. Total time 45 minutes. Ingredients: falafels. 1.5 cups 400 grams cooked chickpeas garbanzo beans. 1/4 cup 35 grams raw sunflower seeds. 1/2 small red onion. 2 cloves garlic. 1/2 lemon juiced. 1/2 cup 2 grams fresh dill packed. 1 teaspoon 5 grams ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper or sub-chili pepper. Ingredients: Nourish bowl. 1 cup 170 grams dry quinoa. 1 vegetable bouillon cube. 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters vegetable or olive oil. 1 medium red bell pepper thinly sliced. 1 medium zucchini sliced into thin coins. 1/2 teaspoon each ground cumin, paprika powder, onion powder, garlic powder. 1 tomato chopped. 1/4 long English cucumber chopped. 1/4 cup Kalamata olives. 1/2 cup 12.5 grams hummus. 1 cup 30 grams spinach. 1/4 cup 85 grams pomegranate seeds optional. 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters tahini to drizzle on top optional. Lemon wedges to garnish optional. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 F 205 C. Blend falafel ingredients in a food processor until well combined. With hands press into little patties, making 12 falafels. Place on a baking sheet and cook in the oven until golden brown, about 35 minutes. At halfway point, flip the patties to ensure even cooking on both sides. 2. While the falafels are baking, cook the quinoa by placing in a pot with 2 cups 500 milliliters water and adding bouillon cube. Tip: crush the bouillon cube before adding so it evenly dissolves. When cooked, set aside. Bring to a boil on high, then reduce to a simmer until cooked, about 15 minutes. 3. While the quinoa is cooking, coat the bell pepper and zucchini with oil and toss in the spices. Place in the oven to cook with the falafels after the falafels have been cooking for 20 minutes. The veggies will be done when lightly browned and softened, about 15 minutes. Stir once halfway through. 4. Assemble the bowl, spinach as the base, add remaining ingredients on top, 3 falafels per bowl. This will leave 6 falafels left over. Notes: 1. This is 3/4 cup dry beans, or the amount in a 400 grams can. 2. Variations: you can substitute sunflower seeds with raw walnuts, almonds, cashews, oats, or pumpkin seeds. I prefer roasted garlic. If using roasted garlic, increase this to 6 cloves. You can substitute fresh dill for fresh cilantro, coriander, or parsley. Feel free to also add roasted vegetables of your choice. 3. Speed it up. Using canned chickpeas speeds up the process. 4. Storage: store leftover falafels in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Place in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 months. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.